Sam, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be taking apart the Lamzhou Atlantis Mini. We're going to be taking some weight out of it, getting it down from 52 grams stock weight. We'll be doing a destructive mod on this, so you won't be able to put it back. So anyway, we're going to get some weight out of this mod, because Lamzhou have done some nice weight reduction on this mouse, and we'll be seeing how light it can get it. If you want to see these live, check me out on Bearded Bob Twitch, and for now, let's get on with the video. So a Lamzhou Mini. Weight reduction, Japanese on ROMs. Let's see what we can do with it. So it weighs stock. It should be, I think it's 55, is it? 52, I was wrong. Okay. Alright, time to get some weight off this puppy. Some of the stock weight reduction. Battery mod. Say some new switches. Here we go. What's the fit? Yeah. The battery looks different. That new housing they've got. Alright, let's change the switches first. These are nice and easy, they're only soldered on the front two pins. Japanese arms. It's gonna be nice. Placing these side ones as well. Which means we'll have to, we've got the dog leg switch, we're gonna have to tweak that a little bit. An 8mm TTC, if you wondered. Right. There's a popper at the minute. Good switch. Recommend the switch you want something really light and reliable. It's a nice switch. They're the easier ones. And these ones are the more tricky ones because it's on a dog leg. So we're on a battery mod. Oh, nice, no markings, interesting. It's nameless. Right, that's where they've drilled all the board out there. It's a nice job. Got little plastic rivets in them, hold them in place. So I'll have to glue them, but maybe. You should get these absolutely straight. So it should be like. Here we go. we got? It's not the burnt, by the way, it's just the what's it called? Flux. Also, the white doesn't help, but you get an idea. Tweaked. So your Lamsu's got a nice button setup. We've got 3 posts to keep it steady, but then 1 screw, which you still get a little bit of flex, but not much. It's nice. Tidy, there we go. Took a bit. It's not like it's changed much, but was it 8 point something? Yeah. You're not gonna get much. You could try and take a bit out here maybe. I might try and take some out there with the drum. Come back from that. We need to like smooth it off a little bit. There's a stock one, modded one. We'll leave the paper on. Let's give an example of what it had on. It's about 2 grams difference. There's a difference in connectors. So you can probably get these slightly smaller if you wanted, as long as you know which connector you need. Right, let's put this puppy back together. We're ready. It's alive. There we go. Right, so now we have stock versus not stock. Japanese on stock. Can't hear a mouth. So it sounds like stock. And then Japanese on. They're definitely lighter, the Japanese one. A little bit more springy as well. Yeah, the way in the side buttons are lighter, to be fair. Personal preference though. I go 44, I think. Oh damn, we're all wrong. It's 46. You could put dots on it if you wanted. So you put dots on it, you'd save 2 grams.